Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is a medical walking boot from Superior Braces. I was looking for a boot to immobilize my foot when I had hurt it, and I'm really pleased with this boot because it's a low profile. It doesn't go too high up my leg, so it was more comfortable to wear. It's so adjustable. It has a ton of straps to make it fit your leg, your ankle, your foot. So it's very adaptable to size. This is a medium and I am a size 10 foot. So it gave me lots of room. I love the fact that it has an open toe design so that my toes have some air flow through there. And it's very, very padded. It has a lot of padding options. And you can wear it on your left foot or your right foot. So if you're looking for a medical walking boot with a rocking sole that will immobilize your foot for whatever reason, this is a really great boot because you can wear it on either your left or your right, and it's very comfortable and very adjustable. So whatever your foot or leg size is, I'm pretty certain this is going to fit you. I'm very comfortable when I'm wearing it for a walking boot. It's as comfortable as it can be, and it has a lot of padding options which really help to make your leg more comfortable when you're in a boot like this. So I'm really very pleased with it, and that's my point of view.